Okay. Uh-oh. Hiccups. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, now they can't see you. Hold on a second. Okay. You look like you had a huge head there for a second. Hang on a second. Okay. Say hi. Oh, now your ruffles are in the way. Oh, my goodness. Let's get your ruffles out of the way. Missy, now your hands are in the way. Okay. Say hi. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Auntie Jackie. Oh, I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. Oh, hi. Now I'm going to rub my face. Oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Say hi. Oh. What are you doing? Do you see yourself? Yeah. Yeah. You got your busy little bee outfit on. Look at all the hair you have. Look at that bum. Oh, it's a bee. Look at that. Oh, geez, that didn't work. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, whoops. Let's see if we can... Okay. There she is. Oh, is it a claw maybe? Maybe the hiccups are all gone. Okay. Well, let's just say hi. As long as you say hi to everybody. Oh, here we are again. Okay. Here we are. You're so squirmy. It's hard to keep you. Okay. This can be a squirmy worm. Well, this is not working out too well. We apologize. Okay. Hey. Let's get you up here. Okay. There we are. Hi. Hi. Get your foot down. Nobody can see you. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.